Yoo Seung-ho is a South Korean actor who rose to fame as a child actor in the film The Way Home. Born and raised in Incheon, Yoo is the younger of two siblings. He later claimed that his family had been poor. Yoo graduated from Baekhyun High School in February 2012. He decided not to pursue a college degree in order to concentrate on his acting career. Since then, he has starred in many television series and movie films as a child and teenager. Yoo enlisted for his mandatory military service in the army on March 5, 2013, where he reportedly became an instructor training new recruits. He was discharged on December 4, 2014. His journey in the world of glamour and entertainment began in the late 1990s with a cell phone and when his mother sent his photos to an ad agency. Following a couple of TV series, he landed up with his breakthrough role of Sang-woo in the low-budget film The Way Home that till present counts among his best of works. He played younger versions of male protagonists in different TV series like The King and I and The Legend. Yoo appeared in the music video for Knowles You from the same time in 2015. He was next cast as a stubborn webcomic writer raising a cat in the TV adaptation of webtoon Imaginary Cat. In 2020, Yoo starred in the mystery thriller Memoirist as a detective in the police force with the power to read people's memories. On May 22, 2020, actor Yoo Seung-ho recently decided to appear as a male protagonist of the romantic revenge fantasy Superstar Miss Lee. In 2016, Yoo starred in the historical comedy film Seon-dul, The Man Who Sails the River, as the titular character Kim Seon-dul. In 2017, he starred in MBC's historical melodrama The Emperor, owner of the Mask, and romantic comedy I'm Not a Robot. In 2018, he was cast in SBS's high school drama My Strange Hero. He played one of the main characters of the South Korean period fantasy film Joseon Magician that released in December 2015. His first leading role was that of Kang Baek-ho in the South Korean TV series Operation Proposal, a remake of Japanese drama Operation Love. In 2009, Yoo starred in the action film City of Fathers and thriller film Fourth Period Mystery. Known in the press as Little So Ji-sap for his resemblance to the said actor, in 2013, Yoo starred in the music video for So's single Eraser together with Park Shin-hye. His resemblance with actor So Ji-sap earned him the nickname Little So Ji-sap.